Raw brass ingots stacked in the warehouse under bright industrial LED lights, metallic textures visible. Hydraulic saws cut brass ingots into smaller blanks, sparks and reflections visible on metal. Automated measurement tools check dimensions of each brass blank for accuracy. Conveyor carries brass blanks toward cold-forming presses, industrial factory environment. Cold-forming press shapes brass blanks into rough cylindrical forms, hydraulic pistons visible. Macro shot of newly formed cylinders showing texture, metallic sheen under factory lights. Cylinders pass through first drawing die, elongating and smoothing surfaces. Second drawing pass further elongates cylinders, oil lubrication visible on die surfaces. Close-up of metal friction in die, brass surface reflections highlight. Cylinders enter trimming machine, excess material is cut cleanly. Trimmed cylinders are ejected onto conveyor belt, natural metallic sound. Macro shot of uniform brass cylinders ready for annealing furnace glows as cylinders pass through, brass heats evenly. Close-up of hot brass turning slight golden hue, cooling afterward. Conveyor transports annealed casings to inspection tables under LED lights. Thermal inspection cameras verify uniformity and quality of each casing. Automated polishing machines rotate casings, shiny metallic surfaces forming. Close-up of spinning casings reflecting factory LED lights, ultra-realistic sheen. Workers inspect polished casings under bright LED lights, hands only. Polished casings drop into sorting bins, motion and sound realistic. Macro of finished casings stacked neatly on steel pallets. Conveyor moves casings through automated laser inspection scanners. Robotic arms remove defective casings while others continue down the line. Casings are labeled with batch codes under bright LED lights. Casings are shrink-wrapped and stacked into shipping crates for transport. Close-up of polished casings reflecting factory lights, highlighting metallic perfection. Cylinders move along conveyor toward automated sorting and packaging station. Inspection cameras scan each casing, ensuring precise dimensions. Robotic arms pick out any imperfect casings, maintaining quality control. Wide-angle view of factory floor showing multiple machines and conveyors operating in sync. Close-up of hydraulic press shaping a cylinder into final casing dimensions. Macro shot of surface texture and edges of brass cylinder after trimming. Annealed casings enter polishing station, rotating brushes, smooth surfaces. Close-up of casings spinning rapidly, metallic sheen enhanced by LED reflection. Workers visually inspect polished casings, verifying surface quality. Finished casings drop into conveyor trays, ready for packaging. Conveyor carries finished casings toward labeling and packing machines. Labels are applied automatically to each casing for batch identification. Shrink wrapping machines wrap casings into protective packaging. Robotic arms stack wrapped casings neatly into crates for shipment. Warehouse wide shot shows rows of fully packaged bullet casings ready for export. Close-up of casings inside crates, metallic shine and labels clearly visible. Forklift moves crates toward loading docks under industrial LED lights. Trucks being loaded with crates of finished bullet casings, ambient industrial sounds. Conveyor belts carry any remaining casings through final inspection lanes. Macro shot of polished casing texture, light reflection, and uniformity across batch. Final wide factory shot showing full production line. Finished casings, machinery running, factory ambient sounds complete the documentary sequence.